Hey F-Train, I hope you're enjoying your quarantine. This is our presentation for the What is Engineering project. The topic that we selected was construction engineering, and it's by me, Justin, and Ethan, who is on the call right now. So, what is it? Construction engineering is a type of engineering that has to deal with designing, planning, constructing, and managing of infrastructures. These can include roads, tunnels, bridges, airports, railroads, facilities, buildings, dams, utilities, and much more. It's not limited to just that, though.
The history of construction engineering. Construction engineering has been an important part of human life since the very beginning. The earliest practices of construction engineering can be linked back to 4000 BC in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, which is now modern-day Iraq. It's when humans started to abandon a nomadic existence and therefore they needed to build shelter, which is why construction engineering was created.
What are construction engineers like? Construction engineers are always really good problem solvers. They always try to work with their design engineers to try and use their imagination and clarity to complete their tasks. Anybody that wants to become a construction engineer should understand math and science very well. And on top of that, there are some other skills that are highly desirable, like critical and analytical thinking, time management, people management, and good communication skills.
What types of problems do construction engineers solve? The problems that construction engineers solve are pretty similar to that of civil engineers. For example, construction engineers usually have to solve problems such as estimating sea levels, reducing soil erosion, managing groundwater, monitoring the health of infrastructure, and reducing traffic congestion. As you can see, construction engineers are always planning for the future.
What are some notable achievements in this field? For one, the Golden Gate Bridge is considered by many to be one of the most beautiful bridges in the entire world. It cost $27 million to make, and it is a mile long. It opened in 1937, and it was one of the longest suspension bridges in the world for almost 3 decades. Likewise, the Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. It was the tallest construction in the world for over 3,800 years. It was built as a tomb for an Egyptian pharaoh, and it took 20 years to build. Many experts estimate that 5.5 million tons of limestone, 500,000 tons of mortar, and 8,000 tons of imported granite were used to make it.
Salaries in colleges. The salaries for construction engineers may vary. For example, a beginning engineer makes about $16,000 to $86,000 a year, but the more experience you gain, the more money you earn, just like most jobs, and you can earn up to $160K per year. However, before you start making money, these are a few of the colleges that you must attend: New York University, North Carolina State University, Clemson University, John Brown University, and Washington State University.
That's it. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching.